In the heart of Luzon lies a volcano whose fury changed the world, Mount Pinatubo. Once feared for its catastrophic eruption in 1991, today it stands silent, guarding a hidden gem within its caldera, a turquoise crater lake born from fire, ash, and rain.
Today, beyond the stories of devastation, lies a journey of hope, resilience, and rebirth. Join me as we hike through its lahar fields and canyons, trace its hidden trails, and witness the turquoise crater lake that emerged from destruction. This is Mount Pinatubo, a story of how nature destroys and how it creates something beautiful in return.
Our journey began at dawn, riding across vast lahar plains carved by devastation decades ago. Gray dust billowed behind the Jeep. The wind carried the scent of earth and morning fog. Around us, silent canyons stood as reminders of nature's unimaginable power.
This is Toblerone Hills, nestled in Kapas Tarlac, a hidden wonder rising from the lahar plains left behind by Mount Pinatubo's eruption decades ago. Each hill stands like a piece of Toblerone chocolate, earning its name from their distinct triangular formations that stretch as far as the eye can see. What once was a land covered in ash and devastation has now transformed into a breathtaking landscape, quiet, majestic, and peaceful.
Every bump felt like it could throw me off the seat. The road wasn't really a road. It was a battlefield of rocks, streams, and deep ruts carved by years of floods and passing trucks. You will definitely feel every bump with your body as you bang through the hard rails and super stiff seats of our old truck. It's like getting a very hard massage. Also, make sure to bring something to cover your entire face if you don't want lahar sticking all over your head. Our driver managed to save us an extra kilometer by going a little bit further down the trail. At least 400 visitors are scheduled for today's hike to the crater. After the rough ride, the real trek began. 7 kilometers of weaving through ancient riverbeds, stepping over volcanic rocks and gravel paths, each step crunching softly beneath our boots. The trail was alive, narrow streams of cool water flowing endlessly, nourishing wild grass and small flowering shrubs that defied the barren ash fields. Snacks and full meals are available. Hot dogs, chickens, fruits, and beverages, including beer, are available from the lay-by areas.
It's getting hot. Yung nag-exercise ka. Tapos nakita mo yung yan.
Our muscles can start here. North, right? Like here.
Dati abot sa sakyan, no?
As we continued, the terrain transformed. Wide open plains gave way to narrow trails lined with tall kogon grass, shaded by steep canyon walls. The sun rose higher, casting golden light across the landscape. The air grew warmer. Our steps became heavier, but the sight ahead kept us moving forward.
This is so cool. I'm so glad that here are no monkeys.
Why?
No, Do you like monkeys?
Not really. Don't like monkeys?
When they're far away, it's okay. But they can be really,
Ferns and the vegetations here gave a different kind of a prehistoric vibe. Very unusual and unique terrain that you can only see here. Our soldiers also incorporate this hike to their training regularly. We took brief rests, listening to the silence broken only by footsteps and quiet laughter among hikers. Despite the exhaustion, there was a sense of calm, away from the noise of daily life, surrounded only by nature's quiet, powerful presence. The last 100 meters, they say this is the most unforgettable part of the hike. After hours of walking across rocky riverbeds, lahar fields, and narrow forest trails, my legs felt heavy. But as I climbed the final stairs, breathing deeper with every step, I felt something shift inside me. The air was cooler here. The breeze carried a faint scent of grass and damp earth. I could hear my heartbeat, fast and steady, echoing in my ears. And then, I saw it.
No swimming.
Pinatubo's crater lake, a vast silent mirror reflecting the sky. Calm, deep, impossibly blue. A lake born from fire, ash, and rain. Now resting peacefully at the heart of a volcano that once changed the world. Standing there, looking down at this hidden wonder, all the exhaustion, dust, and pain faded away. Because in that moment, I realized, some journeys will test every part of you, but the view at the end will remind you why you started in the first place. I took one last look at the turquoise lake, memorizing its stillness, because I knew I wouldn't see something like this again for a long time.
No telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
The descent felt different. My legs were tired, my knees ached from the steep steps, and each rock I stepped on felt sharper than before.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes.
But somehow, the hike back felt easier. Maybe because I was no longer chasing the view. I was walking away from it, carrying with me the memory of what I just witnessed.
I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Soon the wide plains opened up again. The sun was higher now, the dust drier, and the air felt warmer against my skin.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I...
We climbed back into the 4x4 Jeep, and as it roared back to life, I felt every bruise and bump on the ride back. But this time, I didn't mind. Because adventures like this, they remind you that life is not always about comfort. It's about the struggles, the exhaustion, the dirt on your shoes, and the silent moments when you realize just how small you are compared to this world. Going home felt quiet. My body was tired, but my mind felt alive. Because I knew that today I saw something truly extraordinary.